In this CapCut Mobile tutorial, I'll show you how to add a dancing text animation that brings life and motion to your text. Let's start step by step. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type in whatever text you want. This could be a title, caption, or lyric. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font style that fits the vibe of your video. Bold or playful fonts usually work best for dancing animations, but you can experiment with any style you like. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now switch to the Loop section and scroll until you find the animation called Dance. Tap on it and you'll immediately see your text start moving in a rhythmic, dancing motion on the screen. To fine-tune the animation, use the duration slider. Drag the slider to the left for a fast, energetic dance. Drag the slider to the right for a slower, smoother movement. Preview the animation and adjust the speed until it perfectly matches the mood or beat of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a dancing text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut mobile editing tutorials.